This is the code in action video for Chapter 3. In Chapter 3, we implemented our first full backend service for a blog using Express, Mongoose, ODM, and wrote unit tests using Jest. So first of all, open a terminal and type git init and npm install to install all the dependencies. First, we can run the example script that we created to make our first steps with Mongoose. So to do this, we simply run this script. And as we can see, it is connecting to the database and then returning some documents using Mongoose. Next, we set up Jest to run some unit tests for our service functions. So first quit this, and now you can run npm test. And that will run Jest and all our unit tests, and we can see that they all pass successfully. So towards the end of the chapter, we created an Express API, and to run that, we defined a start script, which we can run now by using npm start. And as we can see, it's successfully connecting to the database and running an Express server on localhost 3001. Again, we can open this in our browser. And from the main route, we can see the response hello world from Express. And if we now go to API v1 posts, we can see that the Express server is returning all the posts from our database. We can also create a new post by opening the console with right-click inspect, then going to the console and writing a fetch command here. So here I've pasted one from the book where we're creating a new post. Run this by pressing return, and we can see that it responded with the new post. And if we refresh this page now, we can see that our test post is now in the database. So in this chapter, we learned how to create our first backend service with an Express REST API and connecting to a MongoDB database using Mongoose. We also wrote unit tests using the Jest test suite. So we managed to create a solid foundation for our backend in this chapter, and in the next chapter, we are going to integrate this backend in a frontend using React and 10-stack query.